What does it mean to be different? Is it to look at problems and see opportunities? Is it to look at challenges and see possibilities? To be different is to take the next step forward. Introducing gel technology. From the world's most advanced center for research and development of building materials, gel technology is a breakthrough in building solutions. An exclusive scientific research, gel technology studies the behavior of natural elements and eco-friendly raw materials. It is based on the identification of 6 fundamental parameters of workability and mechanical performance. Our researchers carry out multiple tests to maximize and balance all these parameters. And that's not it. The properties of the gel adhesive go through rigorous testing to ensure real-world durability, giving you the best ever mechanical performance for an adhesive. It is only after this long process in the laboratory and on-site that the perfect balance is achieved. With this amazing gel technology, we at Kerakoll have created a revolutionary product for you. Presenting H40 Gel. This is going to change the way you build forever. I'm sure you're wondering how. Let's see. H40 Gel is the first multi-purpose gel adhesive. It works with multiple surfaces and coverings. H40 Gel is the first gel adhesive that maintains its shape. It doesn't sag, settle, or shrink. H40 Gel is the first adhesive that ensures full wettability of the tile, providing maximum adhesion. With a fluid consistency, it's smooth and easy to work with. The thixotropic nature of H40 Gel ensures that it supports the tile and there is no vertical slippage of the tile. The new H40 Gel defines what it means to be different. Guaranteed performance, high thixotropy, full wettability, perfect workability. H40 Gel. Feel the difference. Are you ready to work better?